In this lesson, we'll review one of the many ways you can create an interactive map in Ceros. As you can see in this final example, we have a nicely designed map with a few different areas we can interact with. When you click on any of these locations, the current pop-up is hidden and the new one shown. To get started, go ahead and upload the build-along experience to your account. We've already uploaded a few different map images, as well as some nicely designed blips to show a user they can interact. We'll add some animated cues in a later step, but for now, let's get started setting up our canvas. Go ahead and grab the blip image and duplicate it a few times on the canvas. Spread these out anywhere you would like the user to be able to click. While we're at it, let's also go ahead and duplicate the pop-up group for each location we placed a blip. Normally, you would customize the content within each of these, but for this lesson, we'll simply keep the placeholder text. Just be sure to rename the pop-up groups so you can more easily locate them with interactions. We've labeled them pop-up 1 through 5 in this case. To ensure our interactions are going to work as planned, we will need to place all of the pop-up groups into a single folder which we will target with our interaction. Essentially, the interaction will ensure only one of these pop-ups is showing at any point, while hiding the others. Since we don't want the pop-ups to show by default, let's turn the visibility of these groups off. Now we're ready to set up our interactions. To make our lives a bit easier, we're going to create one interaction to start and then simply duplicate it for all the other blips. Select the hotspot tool and draw a new hotspot over top of the first blip on the canvas. We'll call this hotspot Show Pop-Up 1. On the Interact tab, let's apply a click trigger with the Show Target and Hide Others action, and then select the first pop-up in the pop-ups folder. Taking a look at the preview window, we can see our pop-up shows up on click as expected. In the next video, we will duplicate this interaction for the other blips and also add some subtle animations to give it some character.